Oh my God. Okay, let's leave this one not any cool. Okay, this one work.
You can't tell exactly that it works. We've not checked all of them. We've not
Okay,
checked all the
then.
cases.
Okay, now so I have gotten it somewhere. Huh? What does this say? Yes, 31 days.
So
Oh,
that's
wait.
it.
Okay, yeah. But let me check February. What does this say 30 days?
So so look at your code very well and see what's wrong.
Okay, so how do we how now I've gotten the testimony.
You see why I always tell you to check the code properly. So if we are just taking your first
This is why I'm telling you. I've been looking for the I was checking all of it. I'm pretty sure this was like the only one I didn't check. If it's so let me find it. But let me try the last one. Oh,
So I'm looking at your code. I think I've seen where the error is, but I want you to be able to spot it out yourself.
want to find out that's coming from. Okay, don't need to this clip.
Why did you put not equal to there?
Huh? Where?
That place where you are now, why did you put not equal to?
What do you mean?
You know that exclamation mark in front of
Yes, sir.
assignment operator means not equals.
This means not equals.
Yes. Is that not an exclamation mark?
It is.
So why are you putting not equals where you are expected to put equals?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Can you see that that's just that one simple condition in the wrong place was what messed everything up?
Yes, sir. Oh, I spelled February wrong.
So check your spellings too.
I vote for
Perfect.
this one. The month you have entered has 21, 28 days, but every 4 years, it has 29.
Excellent. Excellent.
And I
So
put
that's good.
6. Sorry, that month doesn't exist.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's for else, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, and for this one, I don't know
Mm.
what to put. This is the last one.
But there are more conditions for leap year now.
Wait.
That this example did not have only one condition.
Okay, so I fixed it. It
Is this
works.
the only condition for this one?
Uh, yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Let me test it. 2024 is a leap year. That is correct. 2025.
How about the one that you were doing in the class before we ended that last class? The one that had to do with substring
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
that.
yeah. I was trying to find those this stuff. Do you need like negative stuff
Negative what?
like negative 36, negative 30, negative 40? Is that how subtree works?
Ah. Okay. I can't believe you're asking this question. Are you asking me how it works? You've forgotten how it works.
Yes,
Ah. You didn't take any notes for substring. You didn't form any notes for yourself on substring.
let me check.
Huh?
So let me check. I want to check.
Hmm. I didn't expect that this thing would still be outstanding. I thought you've already sorted this out.
I'm looking for it. Um,
You don't have any notes on it.
but now I just want to see. You could
Huh?
have sent me it in chats. I just want to see.
Hmm.
Um, no, we did not.
It is why I
We
usually
did.
encourage you to form your own notes. Form your own notes. Even if I didn't send you a note, just make a note so that you remember. Now we have moved on past the topic and you've forgotten how these basic string methods work. And this sub str is one of the simplest ones. But even apart from this one, there was another one that you were supposed to try out. That one I think worked similar to the slicing one. You didn't try
Where?
that one.
Which
The
one?
slicing one. That question had some other methods for you to try out. You just left it. Hmm? If you look at
Where is
that
this
question, there
one?
was there were some other string methods for you to try out on the question that had to do with this.
Oh, yes. It was.
So why didn't you try those other ones out?
I don't want to move on, so I won't get confused and stay stuck on it.
Now, this sub-str, the way it works is that you use the index of where you want to start, the index of the first character that you want to start, and then the second the number after the comma is the length of the string you want.
Yes, can you repeat that?
Finish what you are doing. When you finish what you are doing first. Can you align that code so that it's in line with the ones that are above it? Okay. I said that sub-str, the way it works, that you have two numbers in the parentheses. If the first number is the index of the first character, and then the second number after the comma is the length of the string. So for instance, if you want today's, that's one that has the apostrophe s, right? The first string, today's, you say 0 comma, and then you count how many characters there are in today's. So for instance, let's see, t is 1, o is 2, d is 3, a is 4, y is 5, the apostrophe is 6, and s is 7.
Okay.
Then
But they're not. Okay,
what?
okay. No, 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 okay, okay.
What happened? When you tested it, did it not work?
Yeah, today's work.
It worked, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, okay, sir.
So
Wait, so,
try and do the second one.
so all of them are something zero.
What did you say?
So this one will not start
What
with
did you
zero.
say?
I said this one won't start with zero, right?
For the second one,
Yes, yes, sir.
for the second one, it was the first character, the index of the first character in the string. So the first character is C in class. So its index is what? I think its index will be you count T 0, T is 0. Remember, do you understand? Index starts counting from 0. So you say 0, O is 1, D is 2, A is 3, Y is 4, apostrophe is 5,
Right.
S is 6. That space in between is 7, and then C is 8. So the first one is correct, 8 comma. Then how many characters are there in class? I think that's 4 or 5 rather. So it should be 8 comma 5.
Okay, I get it now. Okay, yeah. Okay. I okay. 8, 9, 11, 12, 18. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it was a 4. Okay. Um, I'm supposed to run.
Did you notice anything?
Oh, I did. The worst was.
So that one that you put 8,5, right? If you want to get the index of the next one, the index of the next string, that's for was. If you add 8 to 5, you get 13, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. But then I think the index of that next one should be either 14 or so.
Okay.
You understand? No, not that one. The one above it. I'm talking about the one above it.
This.
8 ahead. Yes.
I've already done this.
You already done that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many characters are there? You didn't check. How
But,
many characters are there?
oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10.
10.
Okay, no, it's 11.
Count it and be sure. It's a very simple something. Just count.
Okay. What?
17 plus 11 is what?
28.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 7.
Did you
Oh,
count it correctly?
yeah, 7. 28 plus 7 is 35. Yeah. 35. 1,
I think there's
2.
something wrong with what you're doing now. And
Yeah.
it looks like you're counting the spaces before the characters as part of it. That's why it's not giving you the correct thing. Wasn't has 6 characters, not 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6. So putting 7 there and you're not getting wasn't means that you're picking the character before W. That's why it is not giving you T. So there's something wrong with your counting. And I don't think it even started from the beginning. It probably started from either, maybe, I don't know whether it was after class, because class was correct. But after class, those issues started happening.
But I put 6 and it didn't go wasn't.
Look at it. No, I'm not seeing what you put. I'm just telling you that there's something wrong somewhere. If you look at the first one, it worked perfectly. Look at today's. Today's is 0. When you add 0 to 7, you get 7. But look at class. The C in class is 8, not 7. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Okay, yes.
So that is one index higher than the sum of the numbers for the previous one. So if you do it like that, for instance now, 8 and 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Let me count it very well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 plus 5 is 13. So I expect that one for the third one should be 14, 3. Not, you understand? It should be 14, 3.
Okay, sir.
So correct it. So let's fix it from that place. I think the error still happening from no, not that last one. I'm looking at the third one. 0, 7 is correct. 8, 5 is correct. The next one after 8, 5 should be 14, 3.
14,3.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yes. Now, after that one, if you add 14 to 3,
So
you
the
have
next one
17,
is
isn't it?
wait.
The next one should be, no,
Okay,
14,
I get it.
then
So
if you add,
18
yes, that's
over 10.
yes.
18 over 10.
Then that one should
29 over 5. 34, 36
29 plus 5 is
over
34.
3. I mean over 1. Now let me test it.
29 plus 5 is 34.
Hmm?
You understand?
What?
29 plus 5 is 34,
So
not
I did
35.
the same, but
Look at the
it
last one. It was
wasn't,
the last one.
and it is not showing.
Check the last one. It's the last one that is wrong. 29 plus 5 is 34, not 35. Do you understand what I'm saying? 29 plus 5. You have to add 29 to 5, isn't it?
Hello, sir.
29 plus 5 is 34, not 35. You are thinking it's 35. That's why you put 36 there.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now, Simeon? Hello, Simeon, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Um,
I can hear you, Simeon. Can you hear me now?
you can hear me. I can't hear you.
Okay, let me leave the meeting and join back. Just hold on. Can you hear me now?
Can hear you.
Okay. All right. I think it's just the instability of the internet. I was saying that place where you put 36 should be 35. Why? Because 29 plus 5 is 34. Did you get?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? It's still wrong.
Go back, let's see. Let's see. Maybe it's from the previous one. Go back, let's see. Go back, let's see. Go back to the code. So how many characters are there in wasn't? Let's count. W is 1, A is 2, S is 3, N is 4. The apostrophe is 5, and
Okay.
T is 6. So you are the one that didn't count well. So that should be 29,5. Then that will now make the last one to be 36. Because 29 plus 6 is 35. Now try it.
It worked.
Uh-huh.
But I just need to
Can you
put the comma.
what comma?
I mean the question mark.
So no, the question mark. Okay. So you have to do the question mark on its own now. 36 plus 2 is what?
38.
No, 38, but you have to do 39 now.
Worked.
Ogaga and do the correct thing. That thing should be 39.
It doesn't work.
Go back. Go back. Let's see. Okay. So IT is two two characters. So it was 36.
And there's no space.
Oh, okay. Because there's no space. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I understand.
Yes.
That's why. So that's why it's no, check what you typed. To look at what you typed. Now you're about to mess it up. 38, right? 38 now. Mm-hmm. Because that one is because there's no space. That's why we did not add one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. It's correct. Yes, it's perfect. So when the thing to note is when there is space in between, you have to add one. That's an extra one that you add. You understand? For the next one is because of the space. Do you get?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay. So I hope you now form notes. So don't go and sleep over it and forget. You should form the notes for sub str now. Then I think there's another this thing that you can continue the question. Continue working on the question. There's another. There are other methods there.
Substring in.
This one is sub str. Then substring is also there.
What is that?
Substring, as in the method. Look at the question now. Are you looking at the question?
Yes.
So if you look at the hint side, the side that gives you a hint, it shows you all the methods that you need.
Yes. So what does substring mean?
Substring is another method now,
Okay.
and I think its syntax is similar to slicing.
Mm.
Hmm?
Yeah, no, I'm not doing it like that. I don't want to copy it so I can work it out.
Why not do one and then change it instead of doing several and then you have to be changing each one.
Okay. So, let me just see how it is. Okay. I need to put it on another line.
Now I want to even show you something. Did you use IntelliSense for this sub str?
Intelligence.
Hmm? Yes, IntelliSense. That's this thing that gives you a hint about the method as you're typing it. Did you use it? Put your mouse
Start,
now. Let's try something.
start
Don't delete
number.
anything. Put your mouse over the last sub str. Let us see what it will tell us.
Start NTR.
What does it say?
Oh, it
Number.
says number and the length.
Can you see that it would have given you a hint? It would have given you a hint of, oh, this one is not like slicing. No. This one is a different way of going about it. Now put your mouse over substring. Let's see what it will say.
It
Can you
says
see number,
number.
comma, number? So this one is like slicing. Do you remember how you did slicing?
Yes, sir.
So do it the way you did slicing.
Yeah, but I tested it, and why is it after the today the plus plus?
Because you did not put BR now.
I did.
Where?
I put it here.
You put the BR I show before.
Huh?
You'd have put BR for the guy above it, not on it. BR comes wherever you put it, not before. You understand?
So do I need to put it here? Okay.
You get it now, right?
Yes, sir. So, okay, I understand it now. It's not more. I just want
Substring works like slicing, not sub str.
to. So number, comma, number. Mm,
Do you remember how slicing works?
yes.
Okay. 13.
Mm, 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 mm,
29. Are you just adding randomly?
No, it's
Okay.
29.
Okay. Why are you doing this one like this? The other ones you are adding one to them. Why? How come 29 is the other one is 29 29? Hmm?
But that's how it's.
Huh?
But if I put which, let's say like 28, it's like wrong one.
How did you get 29 for the one? That one that you got 29 for? How did you get 29? Uh-huh. 19 or 18. Look at what you are doing. Don't just be guessing things. Simeon, can you look at what? 18 and 28.
Yes, sir.
That one is 36. The next one should be 37, not 36 again. Okay, 35. Uh-huh.
This one is 39. So that means the comma is. And the comma is with 39 and. Hmm?
The question mark.
Oh. Mm.
Mm?
Oh, is it? 40. I think it's 40.
You are guessing.
It's 40.
Simeon, why are you using a laptop that you are not charging?
I'll charge it now. It's charging. Good. I'm gonna say
Why
what
did you put 40? 40?
Okay, I counted it. What? Also, okay. Wait, this is 38, 39, 40,
So look at
40.
what can you look at what go back. Look at what you did. You said 36, 39. How many characters are there in it?
So,
Hmm?
so is it 38?
Mm-hmm.
And this one is 39.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's 40. Okay, no. I mean 39. Korean was
So I
the.
think this one too doesn't have space. So try 38, 38.
You're wrong.
Try 38, 38. 38, 39, sorry. Because of the lack of space there.
Oh, okay. Well,
All right. You know why that one is an exception, right?
yes, sir.
Because of there was no space there. Remember what happened in the last one. Okay, so do the next character that's repeated. Mm-hmm. You've not
Yes, sir. How do you think it is serious about this? Yeah, well, to my mind. So how do you do the next one?
what does it say?
It says the
What
next
does
set of This is the next set of outputs after the
it
stories are produced by chat to uppercase and part and no while loop.
and it's a do while loop now.
It's a dual loop.
Yes. You have to do it it's just like that other one, but it's a do while loop this time. That's the difference.
But it says that I should use char at to uppercase and part end. Not do while loop.
Pad. Yes.
Doesn't say to use do while loop.
Which one was it?
Homework 17.
17. Hmm. As I said that you should quote it too, because I'm trying to find it now.
But I should quote it.
I'm checking. I've
I
seen
sent
it.
it.
Don't worry. I've seen it.
Okay.
Okay. So it says, how many asterisks are after S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After T, 1, 2,
Five.
3, 4, 5.
Oh,
What do you notice? It's reducing by 1 each time, is it not?
yes, sir. It is.
So there's something that is happening. That means you are carrying out a calculation. And they said no while loop. I thought you were saying do while. I heard you saying do while. It sounded like you said do while. They said no while loop.
Yes, sir.
So just like that other one, character art to uppercase, pad end. You call the method pad end and supply how many characters you want it to pad, the remainder with.
Yeah, but this is like I don't know. You got
What
to figure out
happened?
what to. You got to figure out what to put.
Can you look at what you did in the last one? You call car art first, call to upper next. Just call it in the order. Then you call your pad end. Simple. There's no difference between what you did last time and this one. Car art, you have to give it. Look at the intelligence for it. It's asking for an integer.
What do I put for the
What's the
integer? What do I put for the integer?
Look at it now. It's telling you position. Look at it very well there. That POS means position. What's the position of S in Saturday?
0 and 1. 0.
You're not sure of it again.
It's 0. It's 0.
Put 0 then. Then you've called to uppercase. Then you now call pad end. You tell any character what. Look at this thing. Use the intelligence to guide you now. Don't just now wow. It's to guide you for pad end. Max length and then the string that you fill it. So how many asterisks do you need? That's what it's asking.
6.
So it's 6. You put 6 comma, then you tell it the
6.
character to fill with 6 times.
Hello, sir.
Yes, now go ahead and put the 6.
Okay. Okay, so copy and paste. So this is 1, 1, and this is 5.
Simeon, can you hear me? Hello,
Hello,
Simeon,
sir.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
You did not put the asterisk. That's what I sent to you as a message. You didn't put asterisk. What are you padding with?
So I put, huh?
In pad end, there were 2 arguments. You only put the number. You didn't put comma and put the character to pad it with.
Okay. Huh?
I thought you've already created a variable called asterisk. Why not just put the variable name there? Which one is document.write? Just asterisk.
Let me see. Now, can I go to the toilet?
When you are done testing, yes. Okay.
Why is it not showing why?
I can't tell.
Wait.
How many characters are there in Saturday?
8,
0, 1,
7,
2, 3, 4,
7.
5, 6, 7. So you said
Oh,
they
there's
dot
7
car.
after it. With first one, no 6.
Uh-huh. 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Okay. Uh-uh.
Oh,
I don't know what did you do? So look at your pad end. I think you 7654321. So if you look at, let me look at how the homework looks. Are you sure it was 7?
yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So what's amiss in your own code? 754 3 2 1. What's that last one doing? Where did that last one car at 7? There's no car at 7. Hmm?
There's no.
There's no car at 7. Saturday
So
has
what do I
only
put
6.
there?
Saturday has 7 characters.
Yes, 8. Yeah, yes, 7.
It has 8.
Yes,
So
7.
how did car at 7 come? The last one should be car at 6.
Which one? The last one.
Why?
Huh?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
I said there is no car at 7. So that last line should be taken out.
Where's the Y?
Now go back to your code. Let me explain why the Y did not show. You told it pad end 7. So what happened is that it will use one of those spaces, one of the 7 spaces for the character that you want to pad. Do you understand? Simeon, do you understand what I just explained?
Yes,
So when you say pad end 7, it means it will create 7 spaces. And then it will put S at the first space out of that 7 spaces. Okay? It will put S in the first place out of those 7 spaces and then fill the remaining 6 with asterisks. Do you get it now?
yes, sir.
So if you want 7 asterisks to show the way it is showing now, then that part 7 should be part 8. Do you get it now?
This should be part 7.
Yes, the next one now should not be part 7. So it will be reducing like that. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and so on. Okay.
There should be one more.
I think the last one should be 2.
I think there should be one more.
So let us
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
1 0 1.
What?
Hold on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. So Saturday actually has 8 characters. Yes. So it's 8 characters. You are right now. So I don't know what happened. So I think it's okay now, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that the last bit?
Oh, you see have one
Hmm?
was reached.
Is that the last one?
Yeah, no, sir. The
What's
next one is
left?
hashtag Saturday for
Okay,
interest.
hashtag. All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead now. Hashtag.
Yeah, when you the Saturday's class was interesting. What wasn't it?
I didn't hear what you said. What did you say?
I said the next one is Saturday's class was interesting, wasn't it? Instead of today's class was
Okay.
interesting, wasn't it?
Yes, yes.
So,
Have you gone to use the restroom?
oh no. I can wait to the
When
class
you,
end. I can wait to the class end, sir.
you can wait till the class ends. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Um, so we need yes, put it like on cards.
You've not called repeat on the hashtag. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Your spelling of hashtag is. Hmm?
Yeah. Inclusive.
Fix it now. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the next one.
Okay. So the next one, they said it's a combination of what? Concat and
Yeah.
what?
Such sub STL.
Okay. So how do you think that was achieved?
Um.
Now, look at Saturday. Saturday is there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you already have a variable called Saturday. So you are going to concatenate that variable with part of the first variable. Scroll up where you have today's class was interesting, wasn't it? So you want to pick from the apostrophe S all the way to the question mark. That's all that you're picking. Okay. So when you're using sub str, what are you need? And what?
Yeah.
You need the index of the first character and what for a sub str?
Um. Um. mm, I don't know.
You don't know.
So I don't put I'm like basically replacing the today's.
Yes, you're replacing the today, but you're not. All you just need to do is to just pick what you need. Just pick what you need from there, and you're picking from apostrophe all the way to the end, which is as good as just finding the index of the apostrophe and specify it. You don't need the whole thing. You don't need the whole thing.
Yeah,
Just
they use
one
the
line
whole thing.
for you. One line will do it for you. You're not doing it on separate lines. It's on one line. You don't understand. You just need one line. One line will do for you from apostrophe all the way to the end.
Listen. So
What is 8 the index of apostrophe?
no.
So put the index for the apostrophe. What's the index for the
What
apostrophe?
what apostrophe?
Eh? The apostrophe S, that sign, that symbol before the S is called apostrophe.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so count it. From T, count T is 0
Send me
and so on
pictures of
and so forth.
sir.
T is 0. You can start counting from T as 0 and so on. Not the apostrophe. I said T is 0. So you count T is 0, O is 1, and so on and so forth till you get to the apostrophe so that you know the index for that apostrophe.
The apostrophe is 5. It's 5. The apostrophe is 5.
Okay. So that means the index should be 5, not 0.
So to the end.
Then that so you can, yeah, since it's to the end, you can just leave it. I think if you leave this thing, is it 38?
Yeah, it worked. Yes, 38.
Where did you get 38 from?
Wait,
How did you get 38?
because it's at the end of it.
Okay. So let's concatenate what you got from there with Saturday, right? Remember, the Saturday has capital letter S. So I think we will do how do you do a capital letter S Saturday? So that means let me look at how the string was declared. So look at it. It's even easier. You don't need to do anything. The S in Saturday is capital letter S. So it's now easier. So you can now go to where you have your that place where you have the document dot write. You can now do day dot concat. No, not there, not there. Oh, okay, continue. Do it like that, so that we'll move the one from down there up there. Concat. Then open the parenthesis for concat.
So,
So it says, yeah. So just put, you see all that thing that you have there. My string dot substring plus the br, everything there, put it in between there.
huh?
What you have on that second document dot write, on the last document dot write, everything there, put it inside the concat.
Okay.
That's all. So you're telling it to concatenate everything there with what is in Saturday.
Okay, works.
Mm-hmm. Can you see how easy it was?
Yes, sir.
Or you don't agree that it was easy?
No, was medium.
Medium, okay. Somewhere there. Okay, so the chatbot, what did you say was wrong with it?
Watch out box. Okay.
Chatbot, and the
Okay,
one that had to do with chatbot.
I tested it and it's empty.
Okay, so there's an error, but you're not seeing the error. Is that it?
Yeah.
So did you look at the code very well?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm looking at it now. Let's see where the error may be coming from. Okay, so it says, what are you? Backslash n. Okay. So can you see the problem? I have that 1 to 10 is not inside anything. It's supposed to be inside the quotation mark, but you left it without quotation mark. So that 1 comma 10, 1 dash 10 at the second line should be within quotation mark. It should be at the end. That 1
Which
dash
one?
10 at the top there, that
Okay.
is in bracket, 1 dash 10.
So like this
No, it should be with the one on top. It should be with the one on top.
on top. What do you mean on top?
You see that place where you have beside the question?
Yes.
It should be there. Yes. Okay. So I think
It's still not
that
working.
should be it.
It's still not working.
And that there's still an error. That's not all. There are some other things. So there must be. Let's keep looking at it. Okay. Okay. So I see switch reply. Case 1. Alert. Break. Scroll down, let me see what you have. Maybe you didn't close something correctly. Keep scrolling down. Okay, you have the fault in the right place. Okay. So the thing now is the code is okay, but it looks like you forgot that it's a function that you put everything inside, right?
Yes, sir.
You've forgotten that a function does not call itself. You have to call it. If you look at that question, there was a place for you to put button. You were told somewhere to add a button in the body. You didn't do that.
In the body.
Do you remember now?
Wait, in the body.
Yes. There's no way to. You didn't call the function anywhere now. That's the reason why it's doing like
Okay, I
this.
saw it. I see it. I didn't see it before. And I also
Mm-hmm.
didn't add HTML.
Okay. Carefully. They call chatbot. That's the fun. Okay. Don't forget the open and close parentheses. So good.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I did it. Again?
You're not done. You have a closing tag now. Okay.
I did it, sir. I point of you. I wanna try. No. Yeah. Now, yeah. And it's very secret, expected.